Today's meditation will guide you in visualizing your preferred future, the life you aspire to live, free from the challenges that currently hold you back. Using the imagery of a map, you will explore where you are now, what crossroads you face, and the path that will lead you toward your desired future. This practice will help you clarify your goals and align your actions with your deepest aspirations. And so it begins. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, allowing your body to fully rest in this moment. Let yourself feel supported by the ground beneath you and trust that you are safe and held here. We'll start with 3 deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension from your body. Again, breathe in deeply, and with your exhale, feel yourself softening into the present moment. One more time. Inhale, calm and clarity, and exhale, grounding yourself in stillness. Take a moment to sense your entire body fully present and at ease. Now imagine yourself standing at the crossroads of a journey. In your hand, you hold a map, your personal guide to navigating toward your preferred future. This map represents the path that leads to the life you envision for yourself, the place where your goals are achieved and your aspirations are realized. Take a moment to unfold the map in front of you. At one end of the map, you see your destination, your preferred future. What does this future look like? Visualize it clearly, the life you dream of living, where your current challenges are resolved or managed, and your goals have been accomplished. Notice the details of this future. What does it feel like to be there? What does it look like, sound like, or even smell like? Take a moment to immerse yourself in the vision of this preferred future, allowing yourself to fully experience the possibilities it holds. Now gently shift your focus back to the map in your hands. You see that you are currently standing at a crossroad, a place of decision, reflection, and potential transformation. Take a moment to acknowledge where you are right now in your journey. What challenges or decisions are you currently facing? What does this crossroad represent for you in your life? As you stand at this crossroad, you notice several different paths stretching out before you. Each path represents a different direction, offering its own unique challenges and opportunities. Some paths may seem more direct, while others may feel winding or uncertain. Take a deep breath, and with a sense of calm and clarity, begin to explore these paths. Which path feels most aligned with your values, your goals, and your deepest aspirations? As you consider each option, reflect on which direction resonates most strongly with the future you want to create. Trust your intuition to guide you toward the path that will lead you to your preferred future. As you begin to chart your course on the map, notice the feelings that arise within you. Is there a sense of hope, excitement, or motivation? This path may not always be easy, but it is the one that aligns with your truest self and the life you wish to build. Take a moment to reflect on what steps you can take today to begin walking this path. What small actions or decisions can you make now to bring yourself closer to your preferred future? These steps may be small, but each one moves you further along the path, helping you create the life you envision. Now look again at the destination on your map. You are on your way there, guided by your own clarity, values, and desires. Each step you take is a step closer to realizing your preferred future. Before we close, take a moment to feel gratitude for the journey you are on. You have the power to choose your path, to take action, and to shape the direction of your life. Feel the strength that comes from knowing you are the navigator of your own journey, guided by the vision of the future you want to create. Let's take 3 deep breaths together. Inhale deeply. breathing in a sense of purpose and direction. Exhale, letting go of any hesitation or doubt. Again, inhale clarity and confidence. And exhale, feeling grounded in this moment. One last time. Inhale deeply and exhale, knowing that you are on the path to your preferred future, and each step you take brings you closer to it. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing with you the sense of direction and empowerment you've gained from this meditation. Remember, the map is always there to guide you, and the path you choose is yours to walk with intention, purpose, and hope.